Hello everyone, today we would like to demonstrate how you can copy and paste on an iPhone 14 series device. Well, so first of all, let me open something to copy. Well, I'll just open the browser. Let's say I'll copy this little sentence, should I say. So basically you gotta just double tap, everything will be selected from here, everything in the typing or search bar that you have tapped on. Then by moving this little limiters, you gotta specifically choose if you need to or edit the exactly what needs to be selected. After you have chosen what particularly you would like to copy, just copy, tap on this copy option over here, this little window, which also contains some other useful options, but right now we are only interested in the copy. And that means once you tap on it, that means that something that you have just copied has been successfully added to the clipboard. Next, open the place where you intended to, where you were intending to paste it to. So let's say I'll just go with default notes. Then just tap once, then as you can see this little menu appears, and go for the paste option. And as you can see, exactly what we have selected over here has been successfully pasted. Over there has been successfully pasted over here. Alrighty, so that would be pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.